What does it mean to niddle-noddle? It is not as silly as it sounds. If you have ever found yourself caught between two choices, unable to pick, then you have probably experienced a bit of niddle-noddling. Simply put, to niddle-noddle is to be indecisive, to vacillate, or to waver back and forth when making a decision. It describes someone who is irresolute, unable to settle on a course of action, often due to a lack of conviction or focus. Think of it like a head gently nodding from side to side, unable to commit to yes or no. Sounds a bit whimsical. It perfectly captures that frustrating feeling of being stuck in limbo. So, what are some other ways to say niddle-noddle? You could use words like indecisive, hesitant, wavering, vacillating, wishy-washy, or even shilly-shallying. All these terms describe someone who struggles to make up their mind. Let us look at a few examples. Imagine you are at a restaurant, staring at the menu, completely torn between ordering the pasta or the steak. You keep changing your mind, saying, maybe this, no, that one. You are niddle-noddling over your dinner choice, or perhaps there is a student who has to pick a topic for their final paper. They spend days going back and forth, from history to science, then back to literature, unable to commit. They are niddle-noddling on their research topic. You could even tell a friend, stop niddle-noddling and just pick a movie already, when they cannot decide what to watch. So, the next time you or someone you know cannot quite make up their mind, remember the term niddle-noddle. It is a fun and descriptive way to talk about that common human experience of indecision. Keep an eye out for niddle-noddling in your everyday life.